Good morning, YouTube. Chris Honda here, just interviewing my friend Marcos. You know, you guys remember Marcos. Marcos is the premier detailer out here in Las Vegas. He owns a Bronze Touch. Marcos, man, just tell us a quick some information on your business there about your detailing.
Yeah, Chris, thank you so much for having me on your channel. I've been doing a Bronze Touch for over 20 years. What I do is I come to the comfort of your home, office, and our goal is to bring the car back to its original shine. We do a little paint correction, paint protection, we'll do some paint chip repair. Our goal is to go the least aggressive method possible on your vehicle, so that way we don't swirl anything, burn any paint, and we're just as careful as possible with the clear coat. If you have a scratch, if you have some paint chip damage, if you just want to bring your car back to its original shine, we come to you.
There you go.
The outside, the inside, engine bay, whatever it takes to make sure that your car looks great at all times.
Full detail, guys. And then we're just gonna quickly stop this video and then go to the latest car that Marcos did, which is an awesome what is it, 2000 Prelude?
It is a
2000 Prelude, one of my favorite cars. So let's go over there real quick. All right, YouTube, welcome back. We have Marcos here. We're gonna go over Chris Token Malloy's 2000 Prelude that just got done by Marcos on the detail spots here. Very nice, man. So what do we do here, Marcos?
Okay, so when I arrived, what I did is I did a thorough wash, and then after I did a thorough wash, we clayed it. We took a clay bar to every inch of the car. After we clayed it, we did a polymer sealant and a hybrid wax.
Oh, hybrid ceramic wax?
Yes, and as you can see, all his rubber was restored. We don't spray the rubber. Now, when he goes and washes his car again, the rubber will look just like this. So
very nice.
Restored rubber. We try to restore the paint. We had some oxidation going on here. We were able to remove most of it.
Hey man, this is an original 2000 paint, right?
Yes, it is.
Wow, look at that.
Yes,
all done up by Mr. Marcos. Looks great, man. I love this Prelude. Super stock. Very nice interior. Did you do the interior on this, Marcos?
We did not. He just wanted the exterior only done
done
on it. He just wanted to look good for this morning's show.
Very nice, man. Marcos, thank you so much. We'll clip this on the video here. Sorry about that. Let me just focus you in right there. And we'll put this in the Gears and Grinds video, man. Thank you so much. And remember, guys, it's a Bronze Touch. And I have his other videos on my channel. Thank you, sir.
You're very welcome. Appreciate you. Thank you.
What's up, guys? Chris Honda here. Got an AMG GTR. Never done one before. This one is a prime example. My friend Mike here is just gonna give us a few things of what he did to the car. So, what have we got here, Mike?
I don't know.
I mean, I know those brakes come stock, right? That are on there.
Right.
So, did you do the stripes and all that? Like all the yellow accents? Was that done after by you?
Yeah, somebody did it. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Company did it for me.
And then the yellow tinted headlights are freaking excellent on this thing. It looks beautiful.
Thank you.
What engine mods do you have on here? We got any tunes or anything going on, or
Just a regular tune.
just a regular tune?
Yeah.
Exhaust is stock,
Stock.
but the AMG exhaust is,
Right. It's
Oh
pretty
my-
insane.
pretty insane.
Is this yours? Good.
Thank
Yep.
you.
What are we horsepower wise on this thing?
Like 620.
Woo-hoo-hoo, 620. So, Mike, thank you so much for letting us do a quick walk around on this AMG GTR, man. What a freaking prime example.
Thank you very much.
I'm gonna do a quick spin around on it, just get some
Go
of
ahead.
the details, man. And are those AMG wheels stock as well?
Yeah.
Oh man, AMG does it right, man.
Yeah, they do.
Woo! Sorry to drool all over your car here. Where do you take this thing to get fixed, man? Trophy? Who works on your car? Does it go to Trophy, or like what's the shop that does all your stuff for you?
Oh, it's Lenny's too. That's the guy.
What is it?
Lenny's too.
Lenny's too. Okay. Shout out to him, man. Very nice.
Shout out to Lenny.